Hey everyone, today we are going to compare two of the most talked about smartphones, the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus and the Xiaomi 17T Pro. Let's see which one takes the crown. Display and design. Starting with the display, the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus features a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, while the Xiaomi 17T Pro comes with a slightly larger 6.8 3-inch AMOLED display. Both offer a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. However, when it comes to brightness, the Motorola takes a massive lead with 5,200 nits of peak brightness, whereas the Xiaomi 17T Pro settles at 3,500 nits. In terms of build quality, Motorola used Gorilla Glass 7i on the front with an eco-leather back and a plastic frame, keeping it weight at 190 grams. On the flip side, the Xiaomi 17T Pro sports a more premium feel with Gorilla Glass 7i, a solid glass back, and an aluminum frame weighing in at 219 grams. Performance. Both phones run on Android 16. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8005 Dream chipset with the Mali G720 GPU. The Xiaomi 17T Pro, however, steps it up with the more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 950 chipset and the Mali G720 Ultra GPU. Clearly, Xiaomi takes the lead in raw performance. Camera. Both devices rock a triple camera setup. Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus, you get a 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. It supports up to 4K 60 frames per second. Xiaomi 17T Pro. This features a 50 megapixel main with OIS, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. The highlight here is the 8K 30 frames per second video recording support. For selfies, the Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus packs a sharp 50 megapixel front camera, 4K 30 frames per second, while the Xiaomi 17T Pro offers a 32 megapixel sensor, 4K 30 frames per second. For all for photography enthusiasts, Motorola's the edge. Battery and charging. The Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus houses a 6,500 mAh battery with 90 watts wired charging. Xiaomi pushes the limits with a larger 7,000 mAh battery and faster 100 watts charging. Price. Finally, the price point. The Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus is expected to be priced between $510 and $550, while the Xiaomi 17T Pro comes in at a premium $860. Verdict. So if you want better cameras and a great display at a fantastic price, Motorola is your pick. But if you need top-tier performance and a massive battery, the Xiaomi 17T Pro is the powerhouse you're looking for. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below.